So let's have a look at the Paak Girk. Now this is a leg block. Essentially this is to deal with someone giving you a low round kick. A low round kick, a kind of knee height, fairly tactically, it's very useful. Lots of people will do it. So if he were to give me a low round kick, I'm going to block and then follow up with a nice comfortable side kick. And I could, for example, and this is kind of where this works very well, there are some styles where I would block that with my shin. Now if he gives me that same kick and I block it with my shin, you'll notice what happens is shin to shin will meet. Now as long as I'm always a bit bigger, stronger, with thicker bones than my opponent, that'll work for me. If we're about similar, or worse, if I'm lighter, there is a high probability that one of us will get a broken shin, and it'll be the person who is lighter. Now, therefore you need something that's going to work a little bit better than that. Now, if you've got shoes on, and most of the time you're going to have shoes on, but frankly even if you're not, the bottom of your foot would be the ideal place to block something with. So as he brings that kick in, I shall bring my foot across and block with the bottom of my foot. I can then easily turn and put a lot of power into that side kick because it's already in a nice position for that. Okay, we'll do that once more. So he gives me that round kick, block, side kick. I can reach either his knee or his pelvis. They work perfectly well. In the fall, we'll be following that up with a straight punch because, hey, why not? He's in distance. As he then moves back from that a little bit, I shall be stepping in with a drop punch, and that will finish the job. And you'll see how this works out in the form as we go.